Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Tsurumi Ryokuchi, which is a big park full of flowers and green in Osaka. This is a large city park of about 123 hectares. It is in Osaka City, Tsurumi Ward, and Moriguchi City. It was built on the site of a big event from 1990, the International Garden and Greenery Exposition. Please also call it a Flower Expo. To get there, take the Osaka Metro Nagahori Tsurumi Ryokuchi line. Get off at Tsurumi Ryokuchi station and use exit first. The park is right in front of you. It is very easy to visit by train. In the center of the park, there is a big pond where water birds rest. Next to it, Windmill Hill. In spring, many tulips blooms there. My background picture. In autumn, cosmos flowers bloom. The view looks like the Netherlands. Its view like the Netherlands. In this season, you can enjoy water lily and the green of summer. One of the best pieces is Sakuyako no Hanakan. It is one of the largest greenhouses in Japan. It grows plants from climates all over the world, tropical, desert, high mountain, and polar areas. There are about 40,000 plants. It's open from the 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. Last entry is 60:30. The ticket from adult is 500 yen and it is free for the junior high school students and younger children. It is closed on Mondays. When Monday is a holiday, it closes on the next weekday instead. The park also has a barbecue area and a campsite, horse riding area, a pool, and a park golf course. You can enjoy the whole day here. It is free to enter the park. You only pay for some special facilities. If you go by car, the parking inside the park is useful. Central parking number 1 costs 300 yen or for 40 minutes for a normal car. Please remember one of the things, you cannot drive in from 22 o'clock at night to 4 in the morning. The flower changes with each season, so you can find something new every time you visit. Why not go a little way from the center of Osaka, you can spend a nice day with flowers and green. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.